Hello. Acids and bases are further classified into strong and weak, depending upon number of hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions. What are strong acids? Strong acids, let's define. The acid which give more number of hydrogen ions in aqueous solution are called strong acids. For example, HCl, HNO3 and H2SO4. That is hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. We'll take one, that is hydrochloric acid. When hydrochloric acid dissolved in water, it dissociates completely and give maximum number of hydrogen ions. So we say HCl is a strong acid. All mineral acids are strong except one, that is carbonic acid. Let's understand something more. What is weak acids? Weak acids, obviously, they are very easy to define. The acid which gives less number of hydrogen ions in aqueous solutions are called weak acid. Example would be CH3COOH, and that is acetic acid. Why it is called weak? Let's understand. Acetic acid, when added in water, it dissociates. Let's see. Now, before dissociation, it contains 4 hydrogen ions. Before dissociation. The moment we put in water, it dissociates and it gives H plus and CH3COO minus. If you see this carefully, only 1 hydrogen ion is available during chemical reaction. Originally it had 4, but after dissociation, it gives only 1. So we say CH3COOH doesn't dissociate completely, but it dissociates partially, and therefore it is called as weak acids. Now all organic acids are weak acid. Because they are weak acid, the dilute solution of weak acid quite safe to drink, and hence they are used as a food ingredient. We know acetic acid is also called as vinegar, which we use in Chinese food. Let's learn something more about acid and base. What are different properties of acids? We all know. Point number 1, acids are sour in taste. So we say acids have a sour taste. Acid turns blue litmus to red. Property number 3, acids, the solution of acid conduct electricity. Therefore we say they are electrolytes. Next property, acid react with metal to form hydrogen gas. For example, we study with the chemical reaction. Metal, you take any metal, you add acid. The moment you add acid into metal, what is going to happen? We get salt and it releases hydrogen gas. We take one particular reaction. Now, when an acid reacts with metal, then the salt and hydrogen gas are formed. They are the products. We take one equation to understand this in a better way. In place of metal, we take zinc. In place of acid, we take acid such as sulfuric acid, which is dilute, of course. Now, when they two react with each other, there is a formation of salt. Now, which salt is this? This is zinc sulfate, which we represent by molecular formula ZnSO4, which is a salt, along with the release of hydrogen gas. So whenever any metal react with acid, there is a release of hydrogen gas, which is a property of acids. We learn many more properties of acids in the next module.